Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change from pattern lock password to pin lock password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, I show my pattern. Okay, I lock my phone and try to unlock. Okay, it is asking my pattern. This is the pattern that I set. Okay, I would like to change this pattern to pin lock password. Okay, so what I have to do is just follow this video. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Go to settings. Okay, then go to lock screen. Go to lock screen and here select screen lock type. Select screen lock type and give your pattern for authentication and confirmation. Draw it. Okay, it will ask your current pattern, current security for authentication because you are going to change something. Okay, so yes, now it is entered into the settings. Okay, now go to the pin. Okay, because you are switching from pattern to pin. Okay, so click on pin and type your desired pin. Okay, so here I would like to type 1996. Okay, and click on continue and again type the new one. Okay, that is the same one. Okay, 1996. Okay, and click OK and yes, it is changed from pattern to pin. Okay, now lock your phone and try to unlock. It is asking pin. Okay, now you got to give the new pin that you set. Okay, here 1996. Okay, and click on OK. Yes, it's working very well. So in this way you can easily change from pattern lock screen password to pin lock screen password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.